for a little bit. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my cordless pressure washer. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for you. Let's go and actually check it out. Alright. Let's go ahead and open it up. I do like that it's got this nice little carrying case for it. Let's do it this way. Here we go. So let's see what we got. Boom. So it's got like the hose for it, user manual with the different tips for it, one battery, charger for the battery. This one's for the soap. And then, there it is. Check that out. So let's set this up. Shouldn't be too hard. This usually just, there we go. Just put it in there and then turn it. Hopefully it has a little bit of battery so you can try it out now. It's ready to go. Cool. So now let's hook this piece up. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and take this one just like so. Push this through here. That. Put that nice and tight right there, and then tighten the cap. Perfect. And then on the other end, we're gonna put the filter. So we'll put our bucket of water source right here. Perfect. So that's what it'll look like right there. And then we're gonna hook up this piece. Just make sure this is tight. I don't want it leaking everywhere. All right. All right, and then last but not least, you just want to make sure that this is not super tight. All right, it should be good to go. I'm just gonna fill up a little bucket of water. It does have like a little clamp holder, so that way the hose isn't just moving around, so you can definitely use this if need be. So let's just go ahead and actually try it out. All right, so got the filter in there. We're ready to go. So let's go and actually try it out. So what you're gonna want to do is hit this trigger right here, and then all of this will turn on. So that's on setting 1, and then we can up it. You can see it starts pushing out the water further and further. Look at that, how much time that gets. Look at that, it goes up to 30. And we can lower it back down. I'm gonna lower it all the way down. And I'm gonna show you the different ones that it has on here. Try this one. Speed it up a bit. Now I'm going to show this one. Let's see this one. Ooh, I like that one. A little less than the other one. 15. Oh. Alright, I'm going to go with this 40 right here. I'm going to speed it up a bit. We're going to get a little bit of the ground right here. Try to clean up that back part. All right, let's try this again. Definitely not bad. Now let's go ahead and try it on this chair. It's been out here for a little bit. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new pressure washer, definitely consider looking into this one.